So you want to send something, but you're not with your code, or Bluetooth can do the job for you because it's too heavy or not. So what you got to do is this: hit the like button, share, and subscribe because DanGraffix got you covered. I'm gonna show you how to do that within seconds. All you got to do is go to your internet and download this app I'm going to show you now. So go straight to your browser and type this long link. Here it comes. I prefer this link because it's going to direct me straight to the app, and it's going to be easy for me to download. But if you don't want the long write-up or down, the link is already in the description of this video. And if you don't need the long link, all you got to do is click on, just type this LocalSend. But with this link, when you hit the enter button, it's going to take you to where you're going to download this. Are you using Mac? Click on Mac. Are you using Linux? Any of these operating system you're using, just hit on it. But for me, I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows and click on this exe installer. Now, as you're doing it in your system, you got to do something. Send to your phone. So all you got to do is open your Play Store and search for LocalSend. Now the app is downloading. So after downloading the app, you can click open from here or go to download. You're gonna see the file. So I'm clicking on open right away to install the app. Click on run. Now at this juncture, the Wi-Fi shouldn't be it's not a must. The Wi-Fi should be connected. Hit on the install. Click yes on the next screen. Of course, if you want to switch language, you switch, but I speak English. So I'm going to click on English. If there's a particular place you want to change the file, just click on yes, click on next. And put a shortcut on your desktop so that it will be easy for you to learn. Click next and install. Finish. Okay. Straight to your phone. LocalSend. There's my Play Store. Hit straight to your Play Store and download the application. Search bar and type LocalSend. It's just one word. Click on search and here it comes. Install. Okay, the app is done downloading. All you have got to do is open it. Now this application uses only your phone and it uses hotspot. So your hotspot doesn't mean your data should be on. Just okay, let me off my data so that you see that it doesn't work with data. Just your hotspot should be on. Then you connect with the one with your system. Sure you connect both hotspots. It is connected. Now all you got to do is when you open the file, are you sending from the phone or from the system? Now it is left for you. Let's assume that I want to send from my phone. All I got to do is click on the send button, and then to my laptop I'm gonna click on the receive. Although it's on receive, automatically they are here. All you got to do now is locate whatever thing you want to send. Is it a folder, is text, normal media, or file? It depends on what you're looking for. Just click and there allow it to have access to your phone. Now select the files you want to send in there. Let me just choose. You can send heavy files and it's going to send as fast as possible. Now I'm going to hit on this because if you look at the code on my screen, you have #115 and that same code here is on my screen here in my phone. So all I got to do is click here as fast as air, as fast as flash. You see, now same thing when you want to receive file from your system, all you got to do is click on the send button, then locate whatever thing you want. Is it a folder, file, or whatever? Just click, let me say folder for example. Now pick up the folder you want to send depending the size of the file or the size of the folder. To avoid wasting time, let me just go back and click on files so that I can select a simple thing. Let me click this for example, click on open. Now I have to go to my phone and click on receive button, then on it. Okay, I can click on here to search for my phone. Oh, the hotspot, I think the hotspot has disconnected, so I got to go back and connect to the hotspot again. Okay, that's it. It has connected, and here it comes. If you look at my phone, you'll see the code #4, and on my screen on the laptop, you see there. Just click on it. It's going to send, and that's it. As simple as. In fact, I prefer this than using my cord. I no longer use my cord, USB cord, to send files. Rather, I prefer this. And that's it. If you want to file your file, just hit straight to your file manager and go to the download folder. There you will see your file. When you scroll down, you're gonna see it depending when the file was created. If it has been long you created the file, just scroll down, you're gonna see it. Look at it here. Then if it's a recent file, you're gonna see it at the top here. So it depends. Just start through your phone, you got to see the file. No data, fast, easy. All you got to do is just connect on your phone hotspot and your system Wi-Fi, connect them together and get the sending and receiving started. Now, if you want to check out the things you send through your phone, all you got to do, you can close this and go straight to your file manager or your storage and go to the downloads. There you are going to see the things you sent through LocalSend. I've forgotten about my Bluetooth, but in case you still want to use your Bluetooth, or maybe your Bluetooth is faulty, you can go to my channel on my playlist. You'll see how to fix your Bluetooth. Meanwhile, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, because here I'll be dropping updates on phone and system hacks, and also I'll be teaching how to use your laptop to make graphic designs, or with your phone to make graphic designs. So any of these courses you want to learn, just go straight to my channel and check out the playlist, pick up the course you want to learn, and that's it. Open it as you watch, you practice, you like, you share. You also can save it for future use. Now back to my phone, you can share the normal way you share file. You can simply locate your file, hold the file you want to send, and hit the share button. Then you will see the app below there, the LocalSend. Click on it, and there's the same thing opens. You connect your Wi-Fi, and that's it. You send. No need of data, no need of cord, no need of Bluetooth, no stress. Fast and reliable. See you in the next video. Thank you.